Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Excel in a more efficient way. If you are already using Excel, I'm sure you would be using a lot of keyboard shortcuts. If not, you must use keyboard shortcuts because that saves time and helps you gain a lot of efficiency. So in this video, I will show you 106 Excel shortcuts along with examples in most of the cases so that you can use them and gain efficiency. So let's get started with all the formatting shortcuts, which is Control plus Shift plus anything ranging from tilde, which is before the one number on the keyboard and going up to the 0. So these are all with the shift because we want to use the upper symbols like exclamation mark, @, pound, $sign, and all these. So these are all for the formatting. The first one is the general format. The general format, if I click Control F1 and I go to the number, here I see all these formats which are there. So in general format, cells have no specific number format, anything can be there. So if I'm typing something or I'm typing numbers as text, anything, it will come there. Control, Shift and exclamation mark is basically comma format. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I want it to be in the comma format, I will say Control, Shift and exclamation mark. This is basically making it into number format with 2 decimal places and inserting a comma after the 3 numbers. I also have another shortcut for this which will work in 2013 onwards. It is Alt plus H plus K. So let me show you in this particular cell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of hitting Control, Shift and exclamation mark, I say Alt H K, it will do the same thing. Control, Shift and @ will make it to the time format. So if this is, for example, 0.855555 as I showed you earlier, and now I say Control, Shift and @, it is showing me it means 20 hours and 32 minutes. Date format, and let me write here in front of date format 404, let's say 56 whatever, and I want to convert it into a date format. Right now 40565 doesn't mean anything for us, but as soon as I go and say Control, Shift and pound, it means 22nd January of 2011. Currency format, if I want to change the same thing into the currency, Control, Shift 4, you already have the $sign. Here I can see the rupee sign because I have set my language and other preferences as India. The percentage format, if I want to change it to the percentage format, Control, Shift F. One thing you need to remember while using the percentage format is, if I'm saying 11, it doesn't mean 11%. It means 11.00, and converting it into percent will show you something else, which is 1100%, 0.50. So now it is 0.50, and now if I go and say Control, Shift and 5, it is showing me 50%. Exponential format, if you use a lot of exponential format like 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to power 7 and so on, you can use that. Control, Shift and the ampersand. I believe it was long time before that I got to know this and sign is called ampersand. Anyways, place outline border around the selected cell. So if I say Control, Shift and ampersand, you can see it has created borders. It is not visible very much because the border is very thin, but you get the thing. Control, Shift and underscore or the minus sign basically will remove the outline border. Here the border has been removed. Now Control, Shift and star is basically selecting the current region. Control, Shift, star. Right now only one cell is selected, that's why Control, Shift, star. It brings back where my active cell is and selects that. Control, Shift and the starting bracket and the other one the closing bracket, the shortcut number 97 and 98. This is basically used to unhide the rows and the column. In the previous section I showed you how to hide them, now showing how to unhide them. Alright guys, thanks a lot. You are still here with me till shortcut number 98. In the last section, which is the miscellaneous shortcuts, I'll show you the other shortcuts. So I'll really appreciate if you hit subscribe so that whenever I post a new video, you get to know about that, and hit the bell icon along with it as well, and like it and share it with your friends and family so that they can also take benefit of these.